Hello, I'm Craig Taylor, Implementation Manager at Smith Cooper System Partners, and welcome to our tip of the week. List views contain a lot of useful information which can be used to pre-populate screens, report on, or export to Excel. Whilst this is useful, sometimes there can be a lot of data, therefore it's much easier to work with when you can filter that data by certain criteria. And to do this, all list views have a filter option. To create a filter, you simply select the filter icon at the top of the list view, and this will open up the Maintain Filters screen. You can select the New button at the bottom left-hand corner. This will allow you to enter a name for your filter. If you want other users to be able to access this filter, you can tick the public checkbox. This will make it accessible to all users of your system. We then need to build the filter by selecting a column to choose the data you want to filter on. Now, all columns are available, not just those columns that are enabled within your list. For this one, I'm going to select balance. Next, we need to choose the condition you want the data to meet. Now, this list is dependent on the type of data your selected column is likely to contain. So this one I'm going to choose is greater than column. We then need to specify the value for the condition to meet. This field will work relevant to both the column and conditions you've got selected. So it may be a predefined list like mine, where you can select a field from or a value from. Maybe a numerical type field where you can only type numbers, date-based field, or a free text field. So for my example, I'm going to select another field, which is the credit limit, because I want to compare one column against another. So simply here, I'm saying where the balance is greater than the credit limit. Now, it's also possible to add multiple lines to the filter to allow for you to specify and/or scenarios, which you can determine by the join field. So here, you can simply select and, so we want it to meet one criteria and another. So here I'm going to say and on hold is equal to false. Once you're happy, select save, and then close. And the filter is now stored in the filter drop-down list at the top of the list view. And you can simply select the filter, and it will filter the data within the list view. That's it for this edition of our tip of the week. Do visit our website and YouTube channel for further tips and training videos. And thank you very much for watching.